Yeah? Yeah? Oh fuck. So windy. Yeah? Terry, watch for the car. So windy. Hey! Terry, wait for me. Really? Yabang mo ah, nakaibag. Porket nakaibag ka, nakayabang mo na. Agoy. 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 More ahon. Terry, I think this is the highway. Okay, let's go. Move it. Where's? Terry, there's a car. I'm scared. Snell. I'm tired. Fuck it. Why are you bringing me? Good thing I bought a water for myself. Nice view. Diyos ko po, Inday. Ba't ko ba gustong gawin to? Geng, geng. Ay, geng, geng, geng. Ay, geng, 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 geng. Ay, geng, 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 geng. Terry! This is not a bike lane. Ang yabang mo, porket naka-e-bike ka. Ay, nya, nya. Ay, nya, 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 nya. Nya, 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 nya. I'm tired. One moment. It's been a long time. Oh.
Is it 12 hours?
It's been a year. Last time I went uphill.
More than a year. More than 1.5 years.
Feel like I'm in the Philippines again. Cannot stop breathing. Is it far away? I think we should go back.
Way back you have downhill. All the way. Look behind you.
Nice view. Can you take a picture of me? Please.
The speed road. They drive very fast.
Put the stand on.
See what I mean? Okay,
Yeah.
watch out. There's one coming here.
Are you sure we're allowed here? Because I'm afraid of those cars. Let's go.
Okay.
Where are we going anyway? It's just too far away.
It's a kilometer road. They drive much too fast.
Why, you want to go 60 kilometers? Hey, don't go in the middle. I'm not wearing my cycling pants. My butt is painful.